Do you want to create stunning characters in Blender? Are you ready to unlock a world of creativity? Well, you're in the right place because I'm about to introduce you to a game changer. Imagine having 2 billion plus combinations of 3D characters at your fingertips. That's right, 2 billion. You won't find a more extensive 3D library anywhere else. Here's what makes the Character Generator V3 stand out. With over 2 billion combinations, you can bring your creative vision to life like never before. Whether you're an artist, designer, or game developer, the possibilities are endless. Every character comes fully rigged with body and face rigging. No more struggling with complex rigging setups. It's all done for you. Say goodbye to lengthy rendering times. You get 19,000 plus high-quality PNG files to make your creations pop. It's optimized for both light and dark UI, ensuring a seamless experience no matter your preferences. If you're a Blender user, you're in luck. They've included a Blender generator for easy integration into your projects. Choose from 67 poses in the new asset library. Your characters will strike the perfect pose every time. Customize your characters with 24 male hairstyles, 2 bids, 12 female hairstyles, and a vast wardrobe of outfits and accessories. Give your characters personality with 13 types of eyes, 8 predefined facial expressions, and lip sync for smooth animation. It has got you covered with a variety of tutorials, including one specifically for Characters 3, to help you master this tool. No matter your project, you can create both male and female characters with ease. Just look at these incredible characters you can create. The possibilities are endless, and the quality is unmatched. Ready to supercharge your creative projects and stand out from the crowd? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit the link below and grab your copy of the Character Generator V3 today. It's your ticket to a world of limitless creativity. Join the creative revolution today. The Character Generator V3, where your creative journey begins. Get started now.